can collect assignment for today.
Oh, why?
I forgot to bring my homework book because last night our family stayed at Grandpa's house. Grandpa is sick and Grandma needs our help.
Alright, that's okay. You can call them tomorrow.
I apologize for not paying a bill to collect it on time, sir.